how to select apps that can receive sticker suggestions while typing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, now scroll down and then tap on general management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And then we scroll down. In here, tap on suggest stickers while typing. And then go down and tap on manage apps. Then go down the list of apps in here and choose which apps can or cannot use sticker suggestions while typing. So just tap on the toggle button to allow or don't allow sticker suggestions while typing for that particular app. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.